Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to delete columns in bulk. This can be super helpful when you are trying to reduce down your data size or just filter out to the data that you want to see. You're going to start by navigating to the Columns tab and hiding all the columns. Next, you want to search for the columns that you want. Searching for the origin, maybe I want the city, zip, and state. Maybe I want the mileage here. And maybe I want the destination, state, city, and zip. Once you have that, go under Data Cleanup, Delete, and delete all hidden columns. Make sure to read this message because it is permanent and cannot be undone. We recommend making a copy of your sheet if you are unsure about making these changes. Hit Confirm. And now the columns that you had selected by searching will appear in the datasheet. And that's it. Thank you for watching.